Looking for a solar panel system, residential or commercial? With ever-increasing electricity prices, solar panel investment has become a no-brainer. You can save up to 60 to 70% on your electricity bill.
Yes, we're getting savings, and a lot of people said, you know, what are the payback on a system like that? And I had done those calculations, but within a couple of months, the electricity price had doubled.
And I've been asked to speak about solar for good. We did find they did not try to sell us more than we needed. In fact, Rahi, the project manager throughout, actually advised me against installing too much capability on solar because it was not necessary. And I'd recommend them without hesitation for anybody to contact and discuss any solar power generation needs they may have.
My monthly savings or my annual savings on electricity must be about 50%. I think I would recommend Solar for Good because they seem very professional, they care about my system, and they put anything right that possibly goes wrong.
We at Solar for Good, we can make it happen. Give us a call, we can help.